Hello and welcome to EC Electronics. So today's video is a recruitment news for Northern Coal Fields Limited. So the recruitment is for diploma and ITI people. The job role is assistant foreman and also for technician. The assistant foreman post is for diploma candidates and technician is for ITI candidates. And in diploma, the branches they are calling are mechanical and electronics. They have specifically given that which all electronics branches can apply. There is a lot of sub branches of electronics, out of which they have given that which of the branches can apply. Okay, so the main stream is for diploma, there is electronics and mechanical, and for ITI they are calling for the branches of fitter, electrician, turner, mechanist and welder. Okay, and also there is a lot of openings for the ITI and also for diploma candidates. So for assistant foreman, for electronics branch, there is 7 vacancies. For mechanical, there are 2 categories. 47 and 25 vacancies are there. You can see the detailed notification in the description. Okay, you can see the vacancy, the qualification, everything out there. And there's a lot of vacancies for all the ITI branches also. Okay, so that is the recruitment details. Next, they are also specifically given that if you have BTech also, there is the main or the essential qualification is diploma, which is essential. And also even if you have BTech, you can apply. And they have also given that which all EC branches can apply. Okay. So you can find it over the notification. Next is the age limit. So the age limit is from 18 to 30 years maximum is the age limit. If you fall into this age limit, you can apply for this post. Then there is age relaxation as per the government rules of India. For SC/ST, there is 5 years. Then for OBC, 3 years. And for disabled persons, there is 10 years of age relaxation. And also there is age relaxation for ex-service and all the reserved categories. Then the selection process will be through written test. So they'll be conducting a written test, and out of which they'll be setting the cutoff mark and they'll be calling the candidates. And then there will be scrutiny of your mark list and all those things. There is no skill test or there is no interview mentioned in the notification. Okay, so the selection will be through written test. Okay, then the last date for application is 25th August. That is 25th 8 2020 is the last date of application. And also there is fees 500 rupees and all the reserved categories are exempted from the fees. Okay, 500 rupees fees for the unreserved category, and SC/ST and disabled person and this reserved categories can have a fees exemption. Then the salary for, there are 2 posts mainly, assistant foreman and also technician. For assistant foreman, the salary is 31,852.56 per month. Then for technician, the salary is 1,065.55. That's a per day salary. Okay, so that is the salary details for the 2 posts. And there will be 1 year of training period for the assistant foreman and also for the technicians. 1 year training period will be there. And that's it. And also the locations for which you are applying is for MP and UP locations. Okay, for Northern Coalfields Limited. For MP and UP locations, the recruitment is conducting for. So that's all the details. Especially the selection process is very simple. Written test only you have to pass, and then there will be only scrutiny of your mark list. Okay, so the selection process is also quite simple. And also as per the scenarios of which is happening currently due to this quarantine period and all, you should always apply for the post or the recruitments which is happening now. Okay, so please do apply for it. The last date is August 25th. Please do apply for it. And also if you found this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up and also share it with all your friends who's having qualifications of diploma and ITI. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.